Ms. Robas, how are you?
Appearing by special appearance
What does that mean?
on behalf of the named defendant, waive no rights.
Who are you?
I'm appearing by special appearance on behalf of the named defendant, Jessica Robas.
You're not Ms. Robas?
I'm on behalf of the named defendant.
So if you're not her, then I don't want to talk to you. All right, this is case 260403. This is People versus Jessica Robas. Go ahead. Ms. Robas, how are you?
Appearing by special appearance
What does that mean?
on behalf of the named defendant, waive no rights.
Who are you?
I'm appearing by special appearance on behalf of the named defendant, Jessica Robas.
You're not Ms. Robas?
I'm on behalf of the named defendant.
So if you're not her, then I don't want to talk to you.
I reserve all rights, waive none.
Sure. But if you're not Ms. Robas, you don't have any reason to be in front. It's Jessica Robas is who I'm looking for. Yes, sir. Looks like she is somebody that's not properly in front of the court, so you can return her back to locker until we have the correct person in front of me.
Bye-bye. Go back to your cell and think about that for a while.
Mr. Schuttenbauer, which case are you here on?
Robles, Jessica Robles.
Was that her?
I don't think so.
So what's your role on the case?
Well, I'm a prosecutor. This is basically a status conference. We have our own criminal charges against her.
Does she have an attorney appointed to her?
Boy,
She's assistance of the public defender office at arraignment, Your Honor. I spoke with her before her PCC, and she also declined.
Come through one of the microphones. I'm not sure how well you're being picked up.
Just for the record, David Capelli, assistant public defender. Ms. Robles declined assistance from the public defender's office at her arraignment based on our notes. I spoke with her on the day of her PCC about the extradition, and she again declined representation.
She doesn't have to have a lawyer.
Right.
So we could do that without her having it. But that was her that I was just talking to?
That was the person that I spoke to earlier, yes. I didn't do the arraignment, so I can't verify whether she was present for the arraignment, but the notes in our system did indicate a similar type introduction.
So she's one of those anti-government people?
That I can't speak to, Your Honor.
So that was Ms. Robles? You already sent her back?
I was going to come back and make sure after the fact.
Well, now that I'm discussing this with the guys, it sounds like she's somebody that is an anti-government type of individual.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this was before the court on a status conference? Is that what it was?
Yes, as Mr. Schrotenbauer indicated, the prosecutor's office has their own felony charges on Ms. Robles. I think she was at that day at least represented by Stephen Milks from our office. I had an opportunity to talk to her about the extradition file prior to that hearing.
So it's a different jurisdiction is looking for her to be returned?
Yes, that's correct.
This is actually a key strategic moment. Courts often try to streamline representation across related cases. One attorney handling everything usually means fewer delays, fewer contradictions, and tighter legal control over extradition decisions.
On Mr. Milk's file with her, is she cooperating with him?
I have not had a chance to talk with Mr. Milks about her cooperation on his file.
You have a number for him?
I can go look it up in our system.
Why don't you do that? And before you take her back, let's see if there's some sort of word game I'm supposed to be playing with her so that she'll cooperate.
I'll be right back, sir.
Okay, just to let the court know, she is scheduled for her preliminary examination in Your Honor's court 1 week from today.
So I had the privilege of conducting her pre-exam conference as well. I mean, that pre-exam.
Well, I don't think this is a pre-exam conference.
I'm talking about next week.
Oh, next week. I thought it was the preliminary. The preliminary examination itself. Yes, next week.
Okay.
Judge Allen is actually hilarious. He's just so calm. It's you can almost miss it.
That is the one where Mrs. L said the witness had mobility issues, so you didn't speak with her. So
Okay.
they wanted time to actually bring the witness in because they.
So that could potentially end up being dismissed if the witness doesn't show up.
It could be. But I know Mrs. L was trying to get her.
I'll probably put it on her thing. Sorry, no, telling jokes. Probably the thing for us to do is to just adjourn today's proceeding until Tuesday next week and see if she's in a better mood to talk to us at that point.
Well,
Okay.
I'd be asking for an adjournment anyway, so I have no problem with that.
So this matter is adjourned until next Tuesday. Is that going to give you enough time, Mr. Schroeder?
Well, yes, yeah, easily.
Okay. So that's what we'll do. We'll just adjourn this until next week on Tuesday. And did she say why she didn't want you to represent her, but she wants Mr. Milks to represent her?
It was unclear. I didn't have a lot of opportunity to speak with Mr. Milks as he was kind of running around like crazy that morning. My conversation with him seemed to indicate that she was comfortable with him, but didn't want any representation on the extradition.
Why don't we do this? Let's see if we can have him represent her on both matters.
Okay, he's certainly capable. I will give him a call and see. Ultimately, though, it would be up to Ms. Robles.
Yeah, it would be. All right. So let's just adjourn this for consideration of having an opportunity to speak with Mr. Milks and to see.
Now, things get interesting. Adjournment discussions in extradition cases are often tactical. A short delay can completely change outcomes. Attorney coordination, jurisdiction transfer strategy, or even compliance pressure on the defendant.
She'll let him perform his duties for her. Let's do that, okay? So this will be adjourned until next Tuesday. That date would be, today's the 7th, so that'd be the 14th.
Yes.
So that would be scheduled at 9:30 though, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
All right, then that's going to be all for that matter. We can take her back. I
Thank
tell her what I just decided and see if she responds, but thanks.
Good.
Thank you, Mr. Schrodenborough.
Yes, thank you.
Good
morning. Are you Huntley Cassidy Proctor?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Proctor, I need you to raise your right hand. Let's place you under oath.
You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give us the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God. Thank you.
You have filed a petition to change your name, and I'm required by law to make sure that you're not doing this for some illegal purpose. Are you changing your name in order to avoid criminal prosecution for all of the crimes that you may have committed as an individual?
You're on.
Are you asking to change your name to avoid your just debts or creditors and all the debts that you've run up in your long life?
You're on.
All right. So you're just changing this to your stepdad's last name based on your relationship with him. Is that correct? Now you're 19?
Yes, you're on.
All right. So you have every right to do that, and you have submitted an order for the change of your name, and I will be happy to sign your order. So. Believe it or not, there are people who will want to change their name for those purposes, and that's the reason I'm required to ask. So, I had a guy in another county who filed a petition, a name change, and he was doing it from the jail in Wilson County. So and he wanted to change his name, and I said, so you have pending all sorts of sexual offenses that he was going to be waiting to stand trial on. I said, why would I change your name to allow that to happen? He didn't have a good answer, but he really wanted his name changed. So you can imagine why. All right. Thank you. Your name has been changed.
Thank you.